Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. The first thing we need to put the bounds of u and v gone here. This is for v. This is for u. So we need to focus on this one. So in this situation, I need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equals to u plus v squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one that is about dv. So that means we just focus on this one. This one just likely about the number. So when we do first the derivative, this one you got about 2v. This one you got about number 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. So I will put about v equals to number 0. That is from here. So we put number 0 on here to find the value of t. So t equals to u. When v equals to number 1, so we put number 1 on here, and you got about t equals to u plus 1. So number 0 we change for u, and number 1 we change for u plus 1. U plus v squared we change for t. V dv we change for dt over number 2. The integration of t to the power of 4, that is about t to the power of 5 over 5. And we put the bounds from u to u plus 1. So I will put this one gone here, and u gone here. So number 2 and number 5 we have number 10. Oh, sorry, let's see about you. The integration of this one, that is about u plus 1 to the power of 6 over number 6. This one, that is about u to the power of 6 over 6. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we calculate this one, and we have like this. So we have 31 over 30. This is the end. Thank you for watching.